may I introduce myself to you? My name is Goya Blessing, aka single mother of 2 different baby father. I born for Oyibo and I born for Blackie, but now I am legally married. So in case you never know about Goya, madam, I want to give you. I be the president of Single Mother Association. Now Goya and I get that record. Now Goya and I be the record of Single Mother Association. Before me go come for you, fair wait, more they play. Ogun go, see here, Ogun go kill you. He go kill you for money and net. Wait, you dey craze. See this dirty Olosho. You when they don't fuck for Libya before you they come. Which man they fuck your Toto, madam? Who they knock this girl Toto? Wanna investigate this girl? I want not even when they knock your Toto. You they mad? Who I want Yana? You when and they come for you. Wait. Oh, that man when they knock your Toto, except now you go. If the Nigerian man they knock your Toto, not go better for you and that man. And they come for you. Now you both they knock your Toto. You don't have to be that way. Now people will go they knock you for your camp because it's obvious in a camp you did. The man where now Sicily they will go put you. They don't see better city where they want put you. They go put you for Sicily. Lucky night city. Where be say mad people na so Sicily una they day. Where be say mad people na so Sicily that they carry you they go. But you not even get documents. More fire down. I don't want get stress. So yeah, more they go. Madam, wait. Your time they come. Wait. Mona see posh. Go see posh. Mona we posh. A poshy wo. A poshy wo. A poshy. Egi magbe career where they think we posh. We posh. Go see another VDM. See posh. Gala posh. I been a gala tosh. Gala posh. POSH. Gala posh. Gala, is it gala posh? Why are you laughing? This was the last say another VDM. I don't know why they do like this, so I don't know why these old kele people. So what's so important? Una they laugh now. I want to know what's making you guys to laugh. Are you guys laughing that this useless woman is bringing other people's business down? Is that what you guys are laughing at? I want to know. Mona see man play and see what they talk.
My thing is, if you are doing anything, do it right, so that you will not put your own taste for other people. This is not Nigeria. This is Europe, for crying out loud. And again, there is a particular lady, one girl now for Italy. Is it? Her name is Airback Queen. Please, na Italy, na you do. You see and say Tracy. Me, I not be person when they take side because say Tracy they Germany, you they Italy. I gonna tell Tracy say what you do not good. Then you went to Italy. I say leave her in Italy. My life no they work like that. You know they work like that because as a matter of fact, if not online teaching, no one do, online teaching anybody from any part of the world we join. It must not be in Europe, you know. Now, Airback Queen, they don't call you. Somebody call you. You say, according to you, and I quote, say this is yours. You don't do this your class. Your own is 250 euro. I just want to beg you because you say you register your business. And when you register the business, you tell them when you register now, the particular even when you open. Because if you want to put particular if I get the questions when they ask you. You tell them say you go to do class, they join her. According to what you talk when they call you.
Madam, first shut up first. Shut up your totoma. Shut up. You dey craze? You dey smoking, but madam. Madam, we say you there, now blow I for blow your teeth. You get us say Goya don't change. You get us say Goya don't change. Not when Goya they peke. Madam, you get us say that when Goya don't come, you take do this your rubbish. You dey craze? Certificate of born. Madam, Libya where you follow come. Why you not take flights? Madam, you get right. Police go must arrest you. Or go to boy woman now. Libya when you take, madam, you get right to take Libya. You dey craze. Madam, Libya when you take, Arabu don't knock your Toto finish. See, Pato confess. This one when Toto don't see. Madam, why you not take flights? Man, I'm telling this solo show why not take flights. Who not this dirty woman? Why would I not tell her why she not? Madam, you don't born picking. I want to know. Ubiene. I want see. No worry. I tell you, say 1 week we go know who you be. Wait. Before I cut off this life, people go DM me. See, madam, they say you not donate your come here. We want me you be our. Wait. Who give you rights? May you take Libya. Where you take Libya, madam? Okay.
Now the 6th, you don't do the 6th class before. This is the 7th one you are doing, if I'm not mistaken. You know, say on the 7 days, 7 days, according to the Bible, Jesus, they say God rest.
You dey craze?
I say my
wait, madam. Ogboa. You dey mad? So you dey call Jesus? You dey craze, madam? You dey mad? You dey craze? Somebody say now since 2007 she come Italy. Since 2007, madam, send me request, I beg. See, I dey beg you. Mommy, send me request, I beg. Mommy, I beg, come up. I beg, come. My love, come, one gift you coin. Come. I beg, Mona, this girl when they come, Mona ready coin, one dash coin. Madam, come up. This girl can never be in Europe in 2007. That's what shows you one man bomb always setting. Oh, one man bomb always setting. I been now you bought when me they knock on you boy they French. When me they knock on you boy, ime mosea. Madam, now you bought they knock you. Now you bought they knock you. Oh, go on boy. Ogwa agbo wo wie ogbo wa van ogbo wa so ogbo wo wie wa with your dirty toto you dey craze. I want know say do you know say it's against the law for you to take Libya? Now what it is 2007 wait I never know know keep promise Mona not dey next to comment so Mona calm down baby girl I am sorry I'm shouting baby girl can you send me a request? You say she has been in Europe since 2007. Can you send me request? I beg, send me request. I'm begging you. I'm sorry if I'm shouting. Sorry. I don't like to shout, though. You know, I don't like to shout. Sorry, I will stop shouting. Can you send me request, my love? I won't give you lion. Send me request. I want this girl that comes 2007. You dey craze. When I see the dirty words with this, you dey craze. You know how many black people they do Barbie? You dey mad. She said she not in Europe. I be wanna send me request. People were not. She said she not in Europe. You dey, madam. Your family people, y'all cost you. Oh, one bomb always setting. They y'all cost you, madam. Now which of your family people cost you? You see 2007. Now you don't in Europe. 70. Poor. Salobite man me down. Salobite man me down. Let me begin to pray. Precious Heavenly Father. Since 2007, madam. Since 2007, now you don't. 2017, now you don't in Europe. 2017. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 9 years for Europe. You can never be 9 years in Europe. Make a time again. Oh, wait, there's make a time again. I'm not today, next. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Luxury, baby. Luxury. Lala, Lala, why would they go down now? Been on my network, the brick Percy come up. Mona stay now. Oh God. Flawasha. Wait. Mona see this Pachoko. See this Pachoko. 8 years for Europe.
Finish, Mama.
See how happy.
Okay, don't worry. I'll buy police car, okay?
Not before.
Baby girl, my love.
No, we going to
Baby.
police car. We go to market and find police car. But not today, okay?
No, this one don't know where to send me request.
The thing is that.
Okay. Oh yeah, what's that? You don't know. Oh, the thing is that she wanted to say something. Baby girl, I don't want me to call it. Oh, you wanted to say something, please. Sorry. Send me request back if you're sure. Because I thought maybe it was a mistake. That's why I brought you down. Mona see Yera.
If you want to say, I don't get problem with that. I feel even patronize you.
You dey crazy.
I don't have
wait.
problem with that.
He said, so one patronize person. Mona so one patronize person. See the cap when we. Mona so one patronize. Madam, go AliExpress, though. Madam, don't worry. At least go AliExpress. Not patronize. We'll not beg you. Madam, you dey so one patronize person. So one patronize person. You dey crazy on your heads. See, one patronize person. You wait they say you get mad. Not wait so. Madam, you see they get documents, madam. Now mad people medicine they give you. It's so obvious. Maybe now mad people. Now mad people medicine they give you because if you not know well, now call TikTok on the mads. Oh yeah, more fire, more go.
You said you register your hair, that you are a registered vendor here in Italy, that the Italian government are aware that you are into importation. That's what you said, though. And you said that this hair, this class that you are doing for 250 euros, that what?
Wait, the woman put ring for hand. One I got here. He put ring for hands. Now you bought this. Now you bought with the knack this girl. Now you bought, madam. You put ring for hands. This your ring. I want to know. I beg. She said she don't marry. She put ring for hands. My grandma not feel knock your so it's all obvious. She put ring for hands. She don't talk. Say she don't marry. She put wedding ring for hands. This is a wedding ring. Now wedding ring. Now you bought. I bought for. I fresh oh. My sister Annie, when me bought for you, boy, I fine. Oh God, oh. Now Arab ma, this go marry this girl. Oh, Arab ma, oh, Arab ma, oh, you bought with the bought for. Oh God.
What did you even say?
Man, not
that the reason why you are.
The girl don't marry, oh. If they say she don't marry. Wait. Okay, Mona, not wait. See, Mona, wait. Before I play this video, Mona, wait. I can't go check her work. See what tell you both don't use this girl. Say do. God, more they pray for our Nigerian brothers. Brondo. Oh God, thank you. Mona, see what tell you both use this girl. Say do. Mona, wait. I can't go check the girl video. Mona, wait. She be Bini girl, okay. Mona, see. You be Bini girl, okay. Mona, see what tell you both use this girl. Say do. Mona, see. Oh, wait till you both. Oh, you both say, oh God. Mona, see. Oh, I want to know. Your network, my network not good. Make person send me request. Send me request. You not go talk. Come up. Somebody should send me request, please, my love. Send me request. Don't say anything. They said my network is bad. Somebody should send me request. Don't say anything, please, my love. Somebody is saying my network. How true it is. Sis, Mona see the human hair where you go put. First time when she put. See first time. Mona see first time when she put human hair. Mona see first time when she pull you my hair for her. Mona see first time when she pull you my hair for her. Mona see the first time when this girl pull you my hair for her. I see. You my hair not even get fonta. You my hair not even get fonta. Mona see when she puts. Mona see when she put machine. Mona see. My network still bad. Is my network bad? Guys, is my network bad? Is my network bad? Oh God. Hey. Oh God, this girl. Oh God. Is it better now? Or should I restart my life? Should I restart my life? Or it's better now? Should I restart my life? I have to restart it, guys. Is my network better now? Okay. Okay, restart. People are saying it's okay now. People are saying my life is my network is okay now. Somebody said it's okay. People are saying, wow, okay, give it your best. Don't say okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, people, somebody don't tell me, my love, don't tell me say good. If you say good, you good. Oh yeah, person don't tell me say good. When I see when the girl first time putting aesthetic hair for her. Aesthetic hair for her. When I see when the girl puts. First time in life history. First time in life history. People say me not restart her now. First time. Mona sian. No closure. Madam, no closure. The audience at the video is not alleged. Okay, let me restart it. I have to restart my life, guys. Mona come back. Is not good, man. I have to restart. May restart her. I beg Mona come back. I they come. Restart. Responsibility. If you not see the woman hair. Oh God. See the woman hair, no closure. Which hair put on? It never go long go. This woman not go fit bare hair where close your day. May God punish you. Now you Mona see what tell you boy use this woman hair say do. Mona see what tell you boy use the hair say do. I want to know where the girl, Madam.
Don't be deceived by anybody.
Wait.
Children does not bring blessings. You need to be man enough before you go into marriage.
See,
be man enough before you plan on getting
see, wait
married.
till you both they use this girl too.
Anybody. I see a lot of young boys these days, young girls going into marriages. Because one or two pastors are telling you that go and get married and settle down.
Not get married.
Children don't bring blessings.
Oh yeah, marry.
Only God know your destination.
Sam, oh God, wait. May I remove my background? May I remove my background? Mona, wait. Make her remove this background. I need to remove this background.
Charge to your father. You keep deceiving yourself.
Mona, see what the girl they do.
Children don't bring blessings.
Mother, you get right. You get right, so they do like bouquet.
Don't rush into
Mother, do you have rights? I will sue you. Make God punish you. Mona, see what you both they use this useless girl life they do.
They deceived by people.
Now like bouquet, what you they do? Make God punish you. Now you want to talk about single mothers? Swag bell. What did they tell me you not sell for this Europe? You they craze. Mona, see you might be. See. Mona, see. See. Oh. Mother, who give you the rights? See, you might be. See the, oh God. Okay. Mother, now who give you the rights? Eh? We brought this girl spits. They say not Benin she will come for. Hell, go why Benin people now they embarrass us. Mona, see the useless girl. See her. Oh, hell God, oh, may I clap for our Nigerian men. Our Nigerian men, what people me back for. Mona, see, we'll call people make the cry for. Madam, I will sue you for this. See your useless shape, dirty shape, with your flat breast. So when they don't use, when they don't knock for Libya, no go out of boy. Black Toto, they crash. Say you ugly. Toto when dirty, you open mouth, they talk about small. See a matter. 1 week will never finish your matter. See, oh God. Oh, you